Okay, so I use the entire board for this one. Uh, so yeah, I'm probably not going to be in the frame as much. This one is about electron configuration, the periodic table, and I'm going to just go over a bunch of stuff with that. But it's mainly about electron configuration, but I'm going to quickly just go over the periodic table. So this is the periodic table. It is separated into periods and groups. Okay, these are noble gases. It's the only one that's really important. I mean, yeah, these are important too. Metals, non-metals by that line. Metals, these are the metalloids. These are weird. Metals. Anyway, not metalloids, just metals. They're weird. Anyway, what you are going to start when doing electron configuration. This is I separated them into the orbitals, so it is S, P, D, F. I should have done this before. F. S, P, T, F. So say I want this element. I did not label them. I'm not going to be that fancy. So technically this is in the S. That one's an S. But yeah, so 1S1, 1S2, 2S2, and 2S1, 2S2, and so on and so forth. Then you get to the 2P1, this is 2P6, then you're back to 3S1, 3S2, then you're to 3P1, and then this is the fifth one, so it's 3P5. So that's 3P5, and if you go to our handy-dandy periodic table, that is chlorine. But say I want something a little harder. I want something in this dude. Okay, so let's just go 3P6, 4S1, 4S2. He's not going to be normal, of course, and this is actually 3D1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 3D7. So the way you would actually write this out in full length is 1S2. You go to the highest one. You don't write out every single thing. So then you do 2S2, 2P6, 3S2, then 3P6, 4S2, then 3D7. So notice when I did this, I did not put the thing that is a 3 with the 3. The 4S suborbital is still before the 3D one. Because once you get down here, this is 4F. But say we were down here. That's a long way. So what we can do is something called noble gas configuration. So we're all the way down here. That's in the 6th. So this is 6S. I'm just going to do it how you actually would do it. 6S2, 3, 4, 5, D10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6P6, and then we go, hold on. Actually, no, I messed up. So since the F orbital is actually here, it's in that little spot. So we don't go to 5D10 and 6P6. We go to 4D10 and 5P6. So right now we are at that, and then we go there, 4F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4F6. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't want to write all of that. So what we can do is something called noble gas configuration. So we go back here and we look at what's the most recent noble gas. It's this dude, the 5p6 one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth noble gas. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's xenon. So we can look at xenon and we can go Z, 6s2, 4f6. And that's how you could write the electron configuration for that dude. That way you don't have to write out the full electron configuration. But if it asks you to write out the full electron configuration, you would have to write out from 1s2 all the way to 4f6. Which would be absurd. But you gotta do what you gotta do, so do what you do. Also, fun thing, if you are drawing these, because sometimes you will have to draw them. I'm going back to my simple one, not xenon. We're going back to, actually I'm going to go back to just like this dude. You have the 1s orbital. Okay, I want to make sure I'm drawing this right, so I'm having it pulled up over here. We said we're going to do that one, so it's this dude. You have the 1s, 2s, 3s, then you have the 2p, and then this is actually going to have 3 lines. Yeah, and that's all you need for this dude. You don't actually need that one. I just was going to show you something. So how you would do this one, I can write this bigger since it's a small dude. So we know that his electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, right? So the way we want to write this is up, down, and then do we do up, down, up, or up, 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 down, down, down? How do we do it? It's up, 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 because that's just how electrons go. You want to fill all the up orbitals before you fill the down ones. Because say it was this dude, and that was a 2, you do that. Say it was this guy, and it was a 4. You would do that, and then come back and start filling them in. That's how that would work. So, yeah. That's how electron configuration is going to work. Also, this is another third video, so this is kind of late to say this, but if y'all have any questions, just ask me. Anyone who is going to watch this is going to know who I am. Just ask me if you need clarification.